Hello YouTube and welcome. Take a ride, take a look. I've mounted the selfie stick on the side of the bike, sticking it on a selfie stick. This year we're going to the Pyrenees, so subscribe and enjoy some of the videos that are coming later this year. Here's me riding my Triumph Tiger 800 XCX. It's a nice bike, nice sitting position. You can ride for hours on this bike. The Insta X3 is mounted on a selfie stick, sticking out the side. It gives a nice view. It's a bit dangerous if you're driving through lanes or anything, but for this video it gave a nice view. Enjoy.